Blepharitis is a condition where there's inflammation of the eyelid margin. It's extremely common and can cause redness, grittiness, crusting and soreness of the eyes. It's often associated with dry eyes. Although there's no cure for blepharitis, we can treat the symptoms and manage them by making sure that we clean the eyelids and use over-the-counter lubricant drops such as Cystane, Optive, Hyalofort or Refresh. To clean your eyelids, first wash your hands. Use a cup of water with either 10 drops of Johnson's baby shampoo or a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda in it. And using this solution, use a clean hand cloth to dip that in the solution and rub along the eyelash margin to clean where the eyelashes are. You should try to do this twice a day if possible to try to keep the symptoms of blepharitis under control. If you don't have a hand cloth, you can also use a cotton bud in the solution and dip it in there to try to rub along the eyelashes gently. If your symptoms still persist and aren't improving, please see your doctor again.